Hello and welcome to Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning. Today we're going to debunk some common carpet cleaning myths that could be affecting your home. So, let's get started. Myth number 1. Vinegar is an all-purpose cleaner for carpets. While vinegar can remove some stains, it can also damage carpet fibers, especially natural ones like wool. It's not effective for all types of stains, such as pet urine or vomit. Always consult a professional for the best cleaning solutions. Myth number 2. Regular vacuuming is enough to keep carpets clean. Vacuuming only removes surface dirt. Professional cleaning is essential to eliminate deep-seated dirt, allergens, and bacteria that accumulate over time. These contaminants can affect your indoor air quality and may contribute to health issues, especially for those with allergies or asthma. Myth number 3. Professional carpet cleaning is too expensive. In reality, it can save you money by extending your carpet's life and improving indoor air quality. Professional cleaning helps prevent the need for premature carpet replacement by maintaining the integrity of the carpet fibers. Plus, a clean carpet can enhance the overall appearance of your home, potentially increasing its value. Myth number 4. Cleaning carpets too often causes damage. Regular cleaning removes abrasive dirt that can wear down carpet fibers, extending your carpet's life. Just make sure to use the right methods and equipment. Overwetting and harsh chemicals can cause damage, but professional services use advanced techniques to ensure a safe and effective clean. Myth number 5. DIY cleaning is as effective as professional services. Professional equipment and techniques provide a deeper clean, protecting your carpets better. DIY machines often lack the power to remove all embedded dirt and may leave behind residues that attract more dirt. Professionals use specialized tools and eco-friendly cleaning solutions tailored to your carpet's needs. Myth number 6. Carpet cleaning causes mold growth. Professional methods ensure quick drying, preventing mold. Mold can grow in carpets that are left wet for too long, but professional cleaners use powerful extraction methods and ensure proper ventilation to speed up drying times. Always hire professionals to avoid moisture issues and keep your home healthy. Myth number 7. All carpet cleaning methods are the same. Different methods offer various benefits. For example, steam cleaning uses hot water extraction to remove deep-seated dirt and kill bacteria, while dry cleaning methods use minimal moisture, ideal for carpets that need to be used immediately after cleaning. Choosing the right method depends on your carpet type and specific cleaning needs. Myth number 8. New carpets don't need to be cleaned. New carpets can contain dirt and debris from the manufacturing and installation process. It's essential to have them cleaned to remove these contaminants and improve indoor air quality. Cleaning your new carpet can also help it settle better and maintain its appearance longer. Don't let myths keep you from having clean, healthy carpets. Regular professional cleaning not only maintains the beauty of your home, but also ensures a healthier living environment. Contact Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning at 431-444-5646 or visit bannikcarpetcleaning.ca to schedule your professional cleaning today. Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning. Phone 431-444-5646. Website bannikcarpetcleaning.ca.